My name's Shawn Bonifant. I'm the craft training and development manager at Shapiro Duncan. I've been with the company coming up on 9 years. So we hire like apprentices day one, and we put them to work out in the field, whether that come from high school, just anybody off the street, so to speak, or trade schools, that even had a little bit of experience. We hire them, put them out in the field with a mentor, working in the trade, learning hands-on, as well as we send them to one of the accredited schools in whatever area that they're living in, because we cover the whole DMV area, so we're covering a lot of ground. As they're going to school in the evenings 2 nights a week, and their job, we pay their tuition. We help provide all their tools for them. That's one of the benefits that our company does that I really appreciate, and so do the apprentices. And on top of that, we offer education assistance to everybody in our company, that if they want to pursue a different side of the trades or our field, we'll send them to college and pay their tuition to be able to get that bachelor's, their master's, or even certificate. We have apprentices who have gone through several apprenticeships. They start out, one guy, Robles Sanchez is a perfect example, went through a 4-year plumbing apprenticeship, graduated kind of top of his class. I re-enrolled him the very next semester because he wanted to do HVAC. So now he's 3/4 of the way through his HVAC, but he's also already been promoted to project management. So he's not even in the field working anymore. He's running jobs as an assistant project manager, but still pursuing his journeyman in HVAC. We've got guys who are still working on their masters that are in the field, as well as guys that have moved on to higher levels in the company.
So my name is Anthony Robles. I'm currently 20 right now, from PG County. I work for Shapiro Duncan. So when I started for this company back in like 2023, I started in June. I was 18 years old, basically kind of like a year and a half out of high school. I was in college starting, but this company managed to hold a position for me because I did have somebody on the inside. It's kind of referral based. People who know people from the inside get like a stronger chance. So they held that position for me for about like 5 months, which they don't normally do, but based off my mom, who it was, they were like, oh, we can't lose somebody like that. So I started as a position in the tools department. My title is tools administrator. I basically keep inventory of all company-owned tools. We have different numbers on tools. I keep track of where they go, who they go to when they're with me now, and whatnot. So I am still currently in college for cybersecurity. I'm going to graduate with my associate's degree maybe after this upcoming fall semester. And this company, has given me a lot of leeway. They even helped adjust my schedule for college. I have a certain class on Thursdays that starts at 9, and I got to be at work 5:30. So they said, no worries, it's either you don't have to come in and work on the Thursday. They encourage learning. They encourage you to get your career going. All right. And when I graduate, I have external certifications to get in IT, CompTIA, that they're also going to help me with that because they have their own IT department. So they're always willing to grow. So luckily, I'm still learning a little bit too about plumbing, anything I can get my hands on. Because I like to learn.